Oh my son Barry accidentally got into my LaCroix. LaCroix is the official sponsor of Mother Boswick. Mediocrity in carbonated form. My son Barry is 87 years old, still lives at home, like a good boy, and he shouldn't drink carbonated drinks. He drank one of my LaCroix. LaCroix, like divorce papers in carbonated form. He belched so loud, he lifted 3 of the shingles from our little home. Barry doesn't have the constitution to handle carbonated liquids. I had him after I had an illicit affair with an alien named Grop. Grop species has a little exhaust pipe on the top of their head. Barry was born without an exhaust pipe. Ooh, the squirrels and the birds were shaken when they heard Barry belch. I'll have to be more careful and hide my LaCroix, official sponsor of Mother Boswick. LaCroix, when you know your life choices have failed.